Welcome back to Writing with Mrs. Jackson. Today we are writing about stars. Yesterday we wrote about the sun, and I'm going to remind you that we are writing 3 or more nonfiction facts. And the first thing I'm going to do is do my title, which is going to be Stars, because we're writing all about stars. And then I'm going to write by Mrs. Jackson. And the date, which is 4-15-20. Okay, now my first fact about stars. I think I'm going to write that the sun is a star because we learned that yesterday and we read it again today. So the sun is a star. How many lines? 5. The sun is a star. What do I do at the beginning of my sentence? That's right, we need a capital. The sun is a star. Okay. I think I'm going to write that the sun is, I'm going to write stars are gas. Stars are gas. 3. Stars are gas. On the beginning of my sentence, I need a capital letter. So capital S, stars, R-A-R-E spells R, gas, G-A-S. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? Very good. I need a period, an ending mark. I thought it was cool, too, that we learned that stars are usually way bigger than Earth. So I'm going to say most stars are bigger than Earth. Most stars are bigger than Earth. So I need 6 lines. Most stars are bigger than, and we need to go on the next page. Earth. Okay. Most. And I made it uppercase M because it's the beginning of my sentence. Stars are big. B-E-G. And then to make this vowel stay short, we need to add a second G. And I need like in Oliver. Most stars are bigger than an Earth. And remember, Earth needs a capital letter because it's a name. Just like if your name is Patrick, you do capital P. If your name is Dominic, you do capital D. If your name is Mrs. Jackson, you do capital M and capital J. If your name is Berlin, you do capital B. So names are capitalized. Earth. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? A period. Now, I already have 3 whole sentences, but I think I'm going to stretch myself. I think I'm going to go with a fourth sentence. And I'm going to say, let's see, there's lots of fun facts. Stars, there are trillions of stars. That's what I'm going to put. There are trillions of stars. There are trillions of stars. Because there's a whole bunch in the whole world. So I need 5 lines. There are trillions of stars. There. And I need a capital because it's the beginning of my sentence. T-H-E-R-E. One of our sight words there. E spells R. Trillions. Eons. Trillions. F-O-F. Stars. Stars. This has Pirate Brother in it if you didn't notice already. Okay, now let's go ahead and read our work on stars. Stars by Mrs. Jackson, 4-15-20. The sun is a star. Stars are gas. Most stars are bigger than Earth. There are trillions of stars. Now I need to draw my matching picture. And so I'm going to need some yellow and some white. Oh, well, I guess I don't need white because we're on white paper. Purpley color, some blue, maybe this color as well, black, and some more purples. Because we are going to be making lots of little stars. I'm going to start with yellow because yellow is going to be one of my lighter colors. So there we go. I'm going to draw lots of little stars. And remember, stars are super far away. That's why they look so little. But stars are actually very big. And most stars are bigger than our planet Earth. And they're made up of gas. And who remembers what happens when stars die? That's right, they explode. Okay. Alright, I think I have enough stars. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some color around them. Yours don't have to match mine. Yours can be different, or you can do just one. We already know that we learned yesterday that the sun is a star, so you could just draw the sun if you really wanted to. But I think I'm going to enjoy seeing your guys' nighttime pictures. If you want, you could do a constellation. I know one of our scholars, Orion, his name is a constellation, which is pretty cool. Okay, then I'm going to add some of this purple. Beautiful nighttime sky. Add some blue in there. Everybody's is going to look different, but I want you all to do your very best job. Okay? So there we go. There's my stars. All right, boys and girls, I love you. I can't wait to read your writing.